Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to be giving you my review of the Instant Publisher Biz, also known as Click Empire Mastermind. As you can see, I am logged in here. I've been a member of this for over a year now. So what is it? This is a business model where your site is built for you by this company. And they actually build you two sites. One of them is your primary site, and the other is a mini site. And the way you make money with this is ads are placed on the site, and anytime someone clicks on the ad, whether they buy anything or not, you make money. Sounds pretty good, right? So this revolves around the AdSense program, which is run by Google. It's free to join, and they'll basically build the site out for you, and then you continue to add content to it. Now you can write it yourself, or they have writers, and you just hire the writers to do it for you, or you can go on Fiverr, however you want to do it. And then you're going to get approved into the AdSense program from Google. And when you do, they're going to give you ads to place on your site. Now I'm going to show you one of the ones that they've built for me. Okay? You see this up here? This is a Google ad. See this here? Google ad and Google ad. So there's a code that Google is going to give you. You just put it into the site, and it will automatically start putting ads on. And anytime someone clicks on any of these ads, you are going to make a commission. It's depending on how much traffic you get to the site. That's going to tell you how big of a commission you're going to make. There are people that make, $1,000 a month with this. There are people who make $10,000 a month with this. There's people that make even more than that. So it is it's very easy to do. And like I said, they actually build the site for you, and they help you get approved. Now, if you're one of those people that had AdSense before and got kicked out because you did something silly, this company will help you get approved again. They guarantee it. It might take you a little more time, but they'll guarantee you do this. So what do I like about this business model? It's very simple. You don't have to build the site. You just have to add content. You have to drive some traffic, which they teach you exactly how to do it. And then anytime someone goes to your site and clicks on any of these ads by Google, you earn money, whether they buy anything or not. So I like it. It's a very simple business model. If you're looking for passive income, this is the way to do it. And I highly recommend the company. They're very responsive. Their training's excellent. They do the heavy lifting for you, including building the site, putting plugins in, doing the templates, everything. All you have to do is follow the training, add a little bit of content every month, and send the traffic, and you will start earning money. Easy peasy. Click on the link below to find out more, to get started. If you're looking for a very simple passive income stream online, this is the easiest way to go. Have a great day. Bye.